egg whites. I have a kitchen, it's not done, but I finally have my stove plugged in, and you know I am a big cook. Chef, actually. Boyardee. No, I hate cooking, but the one thing I do love are my Egg Whites International, and so I'm so happy that I have my stove, oven, have missed my egg whites so much. Filtered, pasteurized. Now the cool thing about this, it comes in bulk like this. Filtered, pasteurized, what does that mean? That means that you can actually drink this raw. We're gonna put my coffee in here, my iced coffee, and then I'm gonna actually pour my egg whites into my coffee because it's going to give me that extra protein that I need. There is, look, it doesn't change the consistency. There's no taste. It's amazing. Pure filtered egg whites right in your drink. So if you have kids at home that don't have enough protein during the day, you can pour it into their cereal. They'll never know. With their milk, of course. You can also put it in your protein shake. You can also put it in your iced coffee. You can also put it in your iced tea. If you have an elderly parent that has a hard time getting their protein, again, you can put it into their orange juice in the morning. You can put it in any drink that they have and they won't notice a thing, but it's gonna help them get the calories and the protein that they need during the day. But I personally love eating egg whites. What a great snack. It's a great meal. It's great at the end of the day if you're feeling hungry and you don't know what to eat and you've eaten all your calories for the day. Egg whites, it's perfect because there is no sugar, there is no carbs. It's just a clean way to get great protein, fill you up. It's also been proven to help you sleep better or wake up hungry in the middle of the night. Well, it's gonna help keep you full. It's gonna help you sleep better. It's gonna help your muscles rebuild so you feel better, you're stronger, you're more energetic. You can have a heaping plate of egg whites, throw in some Cholula sauce, put in a lot of green vegetables. Green vegetables are like negligible calories. It's turning on. This is pretty exciting. Literally the first time that I've turned on my oven since I've lived in this house. So I still don't have a backsplash. Getting ready for the backsplash. I'm just happy to have countertops and an oven that works and a dishwasher and a sink. Like, it's the small things. Egg Whites International, INT, eggwhitesint.com. Egg Whites International, seriously, best egg whites, best protein, easiest way to get protein for your elderly parent. Oh, also for cancer patients who have a hard time eating, throw it in their drink. They won't know, and they're gonna get that protein that they need. Does she look like my daughter? Look at that hair color. Huh? It's the same. Everybody wants to come say hi. Ivy, want to say hi? Say hi. They're sisters. Ivy and Rosie are from the same litter, still puppies, very, very badly behaved. You're like me? What? My burnt egg whites, but I'm gonna eat them. Freaking, oh, hot. You are beautiful, like a dream.